Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of English Conversations with Jack and Emma. We're really excited to have you with us today. No matter where you're listening from, your home, your office, your bus ride, or your favorite study spot, thank you for joining us.
Yes, every time you show up and practice English, you're building confidence, fluency, and stronger communication skills. And today's episode is going to help you a lot. We've prepared 70 natural, everyday English sentences that you can use in real life, from casual conversations to daily tasks and social situations.
In this lesson, we'll read each sentence in a clear and natural way. You can repeat after us, imitate our tone, or practice shadowing. Remember, repetition is the key to speaking fluently.
So take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy practicing with us. Let's make your English sound more natural, more confident, and more like the way real people speak.
All right, everyone, let's get started.
I woke up a little later than usual today because my alarm didn't go off.
Oh no, that's the worst feeling. I usually wake up early, but today I hit the snooze button 3 times.
Honestly, same. I got out of bed slowly and made myself a cup of tea.
I need coffee to function. I always make a cup as soon as I wake up.
After that, I stretched for a few minutes. It helps me feel more awake.
That sounds nice. I normally take a shower right after my coffee.
Do you check your phone first thing in the morning?
I always do, but I'm trying to quit that habit.
I know. It's so easy to lose track of time.
By the way, what time do you usually leave your house?
Around 8. I like to give myself extra time so I don't feel rushed.
I wish I were that organized. I usually leave at the last minute and hurry to catch my bus.
My morning meeting got canceled today, so I actually had time to plan my tasks.
That's always a relief. I spend my morning answering emails and preparing documents.
Speaking of documents, could you send me the updated version of the report?
Yes, I will. I just need about 15 more minutes to finish it.
No problem. I appreciate it.
I'm also working on a new project that's taking more time than I expected.
What kind of project is it?
It's a presentation for next week. I want it to be perfect.
I understand. Let me know if you need help. I'm happy to look it over.
Thanks, Jack. That would really help.
Should we take a short break after lunch? We've been working non-stop lately.
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. I think we both need it.
I went shopping yesterday, and everything was more expensive than I thought.
Tell me about it. Prices just keep going up.
I saw a jacket I really liked, but it cost way more than I expected.
Did you buy it?
No, I decided to wait. I want to see if it goes on sale.
Smart choice. I always check if there's a discount before buying anything.
Same. And I usually ask, do you have this in another size? Because nothing ever fits right the first time.
I know that struggle too well.
Do you prefer paying with cash or card?
Definitely card. It's just easier for me.
Same. But sometimes I lose track of how much I'm spending.
That happens to me all the time. Do you want to grab lunch together today?
Sure. I'd love that. Where do you want to go?
There's a new cafe nearby. I heard the food is pretty good.
Sounds great. Could we see the menu when we get there?
Of course. I'll probably order something light.
I might get a salad, but without onions.
Good idea. Onions always stay with you for hours.
Exactly.
And we should try their iced tea. People say it's amazing.
Perfect. If the service is slow, we might need to remind them.
True. And after we finish eating, I'll ask for the bill.
Okay. And don't let me forget to take my leftovers home. By the way, Jack, how was your weekend?
It was really nice. I spent some time with my family.
That's good. Mine was quiet. I just stayed home and relaxed.
Honestly, that sounds perfect. Sometimes you just need a break.
Yes, exactly.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about going on a short day trip.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I'm not sure. I might stay home and clean.
That doesn't sound fun at all.
No, but it needs to be done.
True.
Emma, could you help me with something real quick?
Of course. What's up?
I'm trying to find the post office. Do you know where it is?
Yes, it's not far.
Could you show me on a map?
Sure. It's right here.
Oh, I was walking in the opposite direction. No wonder I got lost.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone.
How long does it take to get there from here?
About 10 minutes if you walk.
Thanks, Emma. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime. Hey, Jack, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, but your connection is a little unstable.
I'll move closer to the window. Is that better?
Much better.
Sorry about that. My Wi-Fi has been acting strange all day.
No worries. Could you repeat what you said earlier?
Sure. I was saying that I'll send you the file later.
Perfect. Just text me when it's ready.
Will do.
Thanks for waiting earlier.
Of course.